What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lanita here, and thank you so much for viewing this video. So today we're going to get right into it. We are going to talk about Valentine's Day. For my husband, Valentine's Day is not any big deal to him. For me, it's one of my favorite holidays, and not because of like a huge gift exchange or nothing like that. It's one of my favorite holidays because you could just feel the love in the air. I just love the feeling, like when I'm out, you know, talking to friends of mine, love is just always apparent. And I just, even if it's just self-love or just like hanging out with your family, with your people, to just like love on each other, you know what I mean? Like if that's even just all you're doing, that whole energy is just bomb to me. So I just love Valentine's Day. Anyways, today we are talking about Valentine's Day glam. Leave a comment below on what your Valentine's Day glam style is, because I've been seeing a lot of glitter, heavy lashes, sculpted face, and all of that. I've been seeing all of that, but I feel like that's not realistic for a lot of people. Valentine's Day glam for me, and this is just me, I like to do a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of a little bit of boom, pizzazz, whoop, whoop, wow, just a little bit, just so I can stay true to my natural, glitterly, metallic, sparkle, confetti self. But I still tone it down a little bit on Valentine's Day. So for today, the star of the show is the very old Modern Renaissance palette. You can see that mine is a little dirty. I've already done my base. Haven't done any highlight or anything, but just have done concealer and foundation and brows because I really wanted the eyes to be the focus. So just to jump right into this, we are gonna go with a little bit more of a brownish cherry color in the crease, and then this is going to be a whole matte look, by the way, but I do have a little bit of sparkle that I'm going to add in at the end that is outside of this palette, so stay tuned. We're going to go right in the crease with red ochre, this color right here, and I'm just going to tap into red ochre and take a little bit of that and build that up just build it up to get the desired color that I'm looking for. So I'm just putting a little bit in the crease, and I'm bringing it a little bit into the outer corner, not too much, and I'm not going down that way because I don't want to round my eyes. I kind of want my eyes to stay a little bit on the cat eye side. So I'm just kind of brushing it in like that, and even brushing a little bit up into my brow bone like that. Once that color is laid down, we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back like this. So now we're gonna go into a little bit of a darker brown. We're gonna go into the color Cypress Under. You can see it's one of my favorite brown shades in this palette. We're gonna go into Cypress Under or Cypress Umber. I don't know which one it is. We're gonna go into Cypress or Cypress Umber, and we're just gonna put a little bit of that right in that outer V just to build up that crease even further. And we're gonna go in with the same fluffy blending brush. This is by Fenty Beauty. It's the brush 210. And if you went a little heavy, it's okay. Just go back into that red ochre shade and blend it out. Okay, so now that we layer that brown on top, it should look a little bit like this. Look a little chocolate red-ish brown. So now we're gonna go into our lid shade. We're gonna go neutral on the lid. We're gonna go into the color Warm Sienna, right here in the corner. And I'm just gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush and brush that all over the lid. This is the brush 200, the eyeshadow brush by Fenty. And I'm gonna load up my brush and just pack that onto the lid. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of red ochre just to kind of fuse together both colors. Then I'm gonna lay a little bit of that chocolate color right on top of that just to continue blending the colors together. And if a little bit of that raw sienna got lost, it's okay. Just go back in with a little bit more. So it should look a little something like this. This is the color Industrial Beam by NYX. It's a liquid eyeshadow, similar to some that are by Stila. Looks like that. It's really pretty. Excuse all the shit in my hand. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little pencil brush. This is Morphe M443. We're gonna take this little brush and we're gonna carve a little bit on our inner crease area with this color. Guys. Okay, if my eyes look a little bit different to y'all, like the eyeshadow, it's because I tried to do like a little glitter inner cut crease type thing. I hated it. God, I hated it so much. So I had to wipe off on my eyeshadow and do it all over again. So let's get back to the regularly scheduled program now that this is all fixed back to the way it was. So for your Valentine's Day glam, you can either leave it at this, and you should have something like this. All the shadows I use are for the Modern Renaissance palette, just for you to remember. And you can either leave it as this with a few lashes, go ahead and finish off your face with some highlighter and everything. Or you can do what I'm going to do, is I'm going to get a little bit of liquid eyeliner and do a small little wing just to define my lashes a little bit more. Throw on some lashes, and I'll be right back. And that completes this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not part of the gang, feel free to subscribe below. We would love to have you. There's no pressure, just a little bit, but no pressure, kind of. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Go ahead and comment below if your go-to glam for Valentine's Day is more simple like this, or if you are full on glitter and action, honey. I love to hear from you. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.